open my dumpling is squishy. Let's open. And this is a secret. Secret. That's ako already. Oh, this is a... Tapos, dumpling is squishy. My dumpling is squishy is 2. Color pink. Green. Oh my god, not a 2, it's a 3. Okay. Color what? It's a color 1. Green, pink. Tapos yung isa ay secret. Pinapakita ko sa inyo kung ano. Weird ko talaga. Sayang hindi ko nakuha yung secret. Ano naman ditong pink.